Zippay, credit check mystery solved. Have you ever stared longingly at an online shopping cart, knowing you can't quite afford the total right now? That's where services like Zippay come in, promising a convenient way to split your purchases into smaller, more manageable bites. But before you jump on the buy now pay later train, a crucial question lingers. Does Zippay mess with your credit score? Hold on, credit score newbies. Let's take a quick detour. Your credit score is basically a report card for your borrowing habits. It tells lenders how responsible you are with debt, which affects whether they'll approve you for loans and credit cards, and, you guessed it, the interest rates you'll pay. So, keeping a healthy credit score is pretty darn important. Back to Zippay. This service allows you to split your purchase into 4 installments, typically spread over 6 weeks. Sounds fantastic, right? But is there a hidden catch that could potentially sink your credit score? The answer is, it depends. Buckle up, because we're diving into the nitty-gritty of Zippay and credit checks. First things first, Zippay typically performs a soft credit check when you apply. Unlike a hard credit check, which leaves a mark on your report and can slightly lower your score, a soft check is a peek behind the curtain, but doesn't affect your score itself. So, soft checks are good news, right? Absolutely. It means Zippay can assess your creditworthiness without hurting your score. They're likely looking for things like your employment status and past debts to determine if you're a good fit for their service. Here's where things get interesting. While Zippay doesn't typically report your on-time payments to credit bureaus, which would be a good thing for your score, there's a catch. If you miss a payment or default on your Zippay account, it might be reported as a delinquency. This black mark on your credit report can significantly drag down your score and make it harder to qualify for loans in the future. So, using Zippay responsibly becomes key. Treat it like a tiny loan and prioritize those on-time payments. Remember, even a small missed payment can snowball into a credit score nightmare. Let's face it, building good credit takes time and effort. If you're using Zippay to manage your finances, that's a great first step. But it might not actively build your credit since your on-time payments aren't typically reported. Here's an alternative strategy. If building credit is your main goal, consider a credit card with a low limit and a rewards program. Just remember to use it responsibly and pay your balance in full each month. That way, you'll reap the benefits of on-time payments reflected on your credit report. Zippay can be a handy tool, but it's not a magic credit building wand. Use it wisely, prioritize those on-time payments, and consider other options for actively building your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.